Hello everyone, I'm Ken from INEO company. Today I'm going to introduce our new series of Combi Oven. First step, we start the oven. After 30 seconds, you will see it turns to a new panel screen. So I'm going to teach you how to use the menu function. You will see there are three functions you can choose, which are steam, steam bake, and bakery. So I'm going to introduce you steam function first. From the top to the bottom, we set up temperature first. Let's say 99 degree, and then time setting, 8 minutes. And then set up the fan speed as you like. After that, press the start button. You will see the oven is preheating. And then you see 71 degrees Celsius is the actual temperature of the inner tan. After preheating, the time will start counting. Thanks for watching our video about combi ovens from INEO company. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks.